Time for Futures in Focus now. We're continuing the conversation on oil with Alan Nuckman of Agora Financial at the CME for us. Alan, what do you make of this gain in oil prices? Is it sustainable given that it was a pop following the OPEC headlines?
Well, good morning to you. We are still trading sideways in oil if you look at it. I'm a price guy. You went through a lot of the fundamental facts in the last segment. But looking at the price, we've been stuck between 50 and 55 now for most of this year, 2019. Upside breakout targets $60. So I think the key component that we're going to talk about, I'm sure, is the dollar. But you want to tie what's happening in oil more to the macro market. And if you look at the S&P, if we can take out those Tuesday's tops, that swing high that we had last week in the S&P, then we could be targeting 2,800 and then an attack on the all-time highs.
Wow. What would bring us there, Alan? I mean, would it be something macro like a border deal or some kind of an agreement on trade, or would it come from the markets themselves, from the oil market or the equities market?
Well, I'm not so sure, but looking at the price action, you've got to be pretty confident in the way that stocks have rebounded, and you've seen this almost exact same price pattern in the oil market because there was so much overblown concern about the global growth slowdown. Again, let's put the word growth in there because that was a concern. We're not actually slowing down, but the pace of growth was worried to slow down. So to get to the dollar's up here very close to its year highs. We had the euro currency make some new lows today. Now, the euro currency has been trading between 114 and 116 sideways since October, made new lows, but we did not make new highs of volatility. That's often a sign that a bottom is in. We'll have to wait and see. I'm not so sure that the dollar has any more power left in the fact that 97.50 is a halfway point over the last 4 years, and We're very close to that. And we're not looking at any rate hikes in 2019. So this may be the last gasp in the dollar.
Alan Nuckman of Agora Financial, thank you, and stay warm up there in Chicago.
Thanks.
Good advice.